Hello friend, must be happy. So this is my school, and you see that my student of 5th and 6th class, they are coming to me.
Sir.
Yeah, what's it?
That's it.
Oh yeah.
Sir, please give me my sir.
What?
Sir, you promised me.
Yeah.
Or you give me.
No. I didn't promise to anyone.
Sir, you promise.
For what?
You give me your phone
But,
for dancing.
I'll be making your video then. Okay, you can dance, you can do whatever you like.
Sir,
But-
please give me mic.
Mike, what will you do with it?
Sir, I am anchoring.
Yeah.
It is very tasty.
Yeah, it's very tasty. Yeah, who brought it?
My
Father.
Your father. On Diwali?
yes, sir.
Yeah. Very tasty, honestly. Would you like to have anyone? 4 packets. No.
Sir,
Good.
please give me mic.
Please,
you,
sir.
you can have it because I'm eating. Yeah. Take it out. Take this out. Yeah. This. Yeah. What?
I speak Hindi.
No. That's. Would you like to have it? A
No,
bite?
sir.
Would you like to have a bite? No, not the whole.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
Hello.
sir, I have a bite.
Would you please come to this side?
I have one bite.
Half. We can make it half. Yes. Simran, come.
Please sit me.
What he's doing?
Yes, sir, I am.
Oh yeah.
Tana.
I would request all the students first of all come to me.
टाके लगने को क्या कहते हैं? Sir, may I come?
That speeches. What happened?
Sir, can I go to trip?
Hmm.
And his matha was, sir, his head was correct because he was running.
Hmm.
In 3D class and he was. Sir, 3D glasses. He is going to 3D glasses room.
Yeah.
And he is run and he is front side of front side are glass and he is and his head.
He was on the trip.
Yes, sir.
It was nearby Medina Toll, I think so. Then it was no. Yeah.
Srigad Park, ma'am.
Sirigad. No, some.
Please give me your phone, sir.
No, later.
Kingland.
No, there is another farm also.
Sirgad Farm.
Yeah, Sergad. It was Sergad farm. The name it was Sergad.
No, sir.
No.
And I am going to English Kingland. Sirgad Farm. Sirgad Farm. In Hindi.
Okay.
In Hindi, Sirgad Farm. In English.
Did you ride camel there? Did you ride camel?
मैं
You rode.
Me.
She also rode camel. And there was boogie. Did you sit in buggy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then it was same. One day I was watching on this one that about the farm. I saw this one.
Sir.
Yeah. But later I'll give to you. But first of all,
Unlimited food.
oh, unlimited food.
Yes, sir.
Then you must have eaten a lot. Yeah.
Unlimited hair band. The cost.
Yeah. See.
So you see.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, but you can keep playing. I won't say anything.
Sir.
Only one thing we have to. Yes.
Sir. Please give.
No, you can do whatever you.
Here
Oh,
stitching.
stitches. Okay. Oh no, it's not bad. He'll get cured very soon.
You play.
Yes.
You play.
Yeah.
You play.
Yeah. How do you feel? How it is?
Sir, Divyasis and Dikasis go.
Where?
Going.
So let them go.
Going there. Yes,
Yes.
now. Please go.
Yeah. Yes, Pano. Oh yeah. Why do you give me so many things? Give to your friend, yeah. She's your good friend.
Yes, sir.
Then did she bring anything for you? Would you like to have it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm bringing for my friend.
Okay. And you give to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Who would like to have this biscuit?
Sir, I sir, but you eat this biscuit.
Can we make it half?
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Dax, he is always very hungry.
Sir, I am bring
Hmm.
gulab jamun.
Yes.
And sir,
Yeah.
you can play with us.
Hmm. No, I'm not going to play with that. I have to do this one. I'll see you. Okay, I'll see you. Not to worry. And you keep doing whatever you like. Hmm. I'll just take the. If some of the students they like to enjoy. Yeah.
Bore. What is the meaning
Bore.
of
Bore mean bore. Yeah.
You have not come to school.
Yeah.
Also students are bored.
When I didn't come.
When you not come to school, all students are bored.
Okay, but now I have come.
Yes, sir.
We will
Will be fun.
Yeah, we will enjoy. Yes. Yeah. So,
You are very mote ho gaya.
fatty.
You are very fatty.
No, I'm not so fatty.
Yes, sir. You are not. You can play with us, sir.
I don't know, bit later.
No, sir. You can play with us, sir.
Please have it.
You can play with us.
Let's see, Harshit.
Let's see.
Harshit, again 10 rupees. Again 10 rupees.
इसका नाम गमन नदी है.
Cash prize, cash.
Cash prize.
Cash prize. Yes, Harshit, very good. Harshit, do your best. You can do. You can do, yes. No. Let me see. 10 rupees. Oh, yeah. Yes. This time. Yes. Please get aside. Yes, Harshit, very nice. This time. Yeah, show your power. Let's. Yeah, Harshit, he can do. Yeah. Yes. Hello. Going anything bad? Doing something bad? No. Yes, you. Yes, Harshit. Yeah, Harshit. Yes. Very nice.